What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today once again we're gonna take a look at the Weeknd picture. Today we're gonna check out this one right here, this red look. It's kind of red and also really distorted look. You requested this a lot since he posted it on his Instagram account. So today I'm gonna show you how to recreate this look using only your smartphone, the free Lightroom app, and another free app called Over. Of course, as always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look so you can just easily paste it to your picture and save some time. You can download this preset, link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that I've created for you guys. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that once you buy it, you will be getting all the new presets automatically updated to the pack for free. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything you need from me, anything I can help you with, always feel free to DM me on Instagram at Wommack is my handle. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open our picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open the picture. I've chosen this one off the Weeknd's Instagram account. Now it looks to me as if it's been taken on a smartphone, and it's a black and white look, but what I did in the lights tab is I went to curve on the upper right side, and then you can see that red, green, and blue circle on the left side. Hit that and then just create this line right here. So on the upper right side, pull it down all the way, and then on the bottom left side, pull it up a little bit to kind of straighten out this line. Try to copy it, recreate it as it is right here. Once you have this, we go over to the red circle, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. So on the upper right side, the highlights, we want to pull them to the left and then just kind of create that really smooth bow towards the shadows. Pull the shadows on the bottom left side a little bit to the right. Once you have this, we go over to the green spot here, and then I want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. So on the shadows, bottom left side, we want to pull a little bit to the right and then create that bow towards the upper right side. And finally, for the blue tones here, super easy. We want to just pull the shadows on the bottom left side over to the right side a little bit. And once you have these four curves as they are here, we're done there. Now the rest here is easy. What you want to do is just pull down the exposure a little bit to negative 0.62. Then the contrast, we want to boost that up to plus 75 right here. The highlights we want to pull down to negative 55, and the shadows we want to boost them up a little bit to plus 21. The whites we want to pull down to negative 45, and the blacks down to negative 12 right here. Then we go over to the colors tab. We're not going to change anything here, but we're going to hit grading on top here. For the shadows, we're not going to change anything, so we go to the midtones, leave the hue at 0, but the saturation, we want to boost that up a little bit to around 63 right here. And now we can see that deep red coming in. We go over to the highlights, pull the hue to 257, and the saturation all the way up to 100, and that's going to get that kind of blue tint to the highlights, what we want. Now the last thing we do when we're done here is we go over to the effects tab, and then what you want to do is just boost up the clarity all the way to plus 75 right here to get that really crisp image. And now down here, of course, we want to add grain, so we boost that up to around 55. That's really going to help that distorted look. And then we export the file, the picture on top here. We want to export to camera roll. And once this is exported, we want to go over to our Over app right here. It's also a free app. Then we hit the plus sign down here. We hit image on top. And now we want to choose that image that we have just created right here. Hit the check mark on the upper right side. And now we hit image again. And I've created a plastic overlay for you for free to download. I did it in a video a while back, so I'm gonna link the video right here. You can check that out. Also, I'm gonna link those free plastic overlays under this video for you as well. So I want you to go there, download them now. It's just free overlays for you to use that I've created for you. And once you've downloaded these, you wanna jump back into the Over app. I'm gonna show you how we proceed. So we're here in the Over app. You've downloaded those overlays, those plastic overlays. So we go to all photos here, then to recents, and now you can see that plastic overlay here already on top of the image. You can choose any one of those overlays that you like. So what you want to do is just resize it until it fits over the whole image, and then down here we want to scroll over to where it says opacity, and then you want to pull down the opacity to where you like it. Maybe, yeah, really soft in this case, maybe 30% is good. Hit the check mark on the upper right side and we are done. And this is it, guys. Here's a before and after, and I think we came super close to that the Weeknd red look with that distorted overlay, where we use that free plastic overlay that I've created for you guys. So I hope you had fun with this tutorial. I hope you like the result. I hope you're happy with this content. And of course, I've also created a preset to save you some time to create this red look. In a matter of seconds, you can just paste it to every one of your images, and it's linked under this video. It's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets. And the cool thing about this pack, as I said in the beginning, is once you download it, once you buy this pack, you will have 200 presets, but also all the new presets that I'm going to do on this channel will automatically be updated to your pack. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell if you like this mobile photography, editing content. And of course, if you have any questions of any nature, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. It's also a great way for you to make new requests for new videos. If there's a look that you're interested in, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your love, the support. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.